Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2014 Nissan Titan Pro-4X, powered by a 5.6-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with an aftermarket grille with a light bar installed inside, skid plate down below, light bar up above the windshield, and as you can tell, a sizable lift kit installed with pocket-style fender flares sitting on some monster rims with some pretty big all-terrain tires on there as well. Running boards down below, vent shades on the windows, a dual tip exhaust so you can hear that engine at work a bit better. Plenty of nice exterior accessories on this truck, but let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back, where you have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the center, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as two more right here with a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet. And the seats can be, if we just fold that back in, I believe they can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put back here. So plenty of space. And now looking in the front, we have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as two memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat and mirrors, I believe. So now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 99,904 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise control buttons or controls, and on the left hand side you have your hands-free phone radio controls, so you can cycle through everything there. Then I believe this button here lets you cycle through your information here, such as your trip A and B mileage. And then the other one, I believe, is for your fuel economy and trip timer, fuel range, outside temperature and settings. And then down here you have your park assist shut off, your power adjustable foot pedals, and all these switches for your light bars and your cargo lamp. Do also have your traction control shut off right there. But moving on to your center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and I believe possibly also USB, though I'm not 100% sure. Auxiliary, if I didn't say that already. And then it is also your navigation screen, so you're going to be able to hopefully avoid getting lost on your trips, travels, whatever. And then you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. It does also have reverse sensors that will beep to alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. Moving down, you have your climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use. Do also have a Rockford Fosgate sound system in this truck, so your audio is going to sound pretty good. Moving down, you have this compartment here, your 4x4 controls, and then you have your heated front seats with two levels each, your tow mode, your locking rear differential, and your hazards. You also have a 12 volt here and a 12 volt there, so you can plug something into power or charge. And you have your main shifter here, two cup holders, a sizable cubby here with a divider or cup holder thing right there. Open this up and you have plenty of space in there, as well as a USB and auxiliary, so you can plug in your audio or plug in something to charge that way. But then finally looking up, you do also have a nice sunroof, so you can let in the sunshine, and a big old sliding rear window, if that's something that interests you. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.